quick tips for better mental health. Hey there, welcome to Healthwise. Today, we're diving into rapid-fire ways to boost your mental well-being. Let's jump right in. 1. Start with a deep breath. Practice being present for just a few minutes each day. It's like a mini vacation for your mind. Stay social, stay happy. Reach out to loved ones, even if it's just a quick hello. Connection is key. Get moving. Physical activity boosts your mood. Go for a stroll, dance around, or stretch it out. You're never alone. When you need it, don't hesitate to talk to a pro. They're here to help you through. Thanks for hanging out. These quick tips can make a big difference in your mental health journey. If you found this useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.